Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Leadpages to Stripe for payment landing funnels, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Leadpages to Stripe for your payment landing funnels, start by logging into your Leadpages account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate and select the Integrations option from the left-hand menu. In the Integrations section, find the Stripe option. Click on Connect next to the Stripe integration option. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your Stripe account. Enter your Stripe account credentials. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you may be asked to allow Leadpages to access your Stripe account. Click Authorize Access to complete this step. You should now see a confirmation that your Stripe account is connected to Leadpages. Next, return to your Leadpages dashboard. Create a new landing page by selecting the Create New button. Choose a template that suits your payment funnel needs. Once you've selected a template, customize it as needed. Add a payment button to your landing page by dragging the payment element onto the canvas. In the payment button settings, select Stripe as your payment processor. Set your desired payment amounts and configure any additional options. After the settings are complete, save your landing page. Now, publish your landing page by clicking the Publish button. Once published, you can start promoting your landing page. To test your payment funnel, create a test transaction using your Stripe test credentials. Verify that the payment goes through successfully. If everything works as expected, your Leadpages and Stripe integration is complete. You can now use this setup for seamless payment processing on your landing funnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.